Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to SafePal. For that advanced, open SafePal. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Receive option. Then click on BNB. Then click here to copy this address and exit here, and you need to open Binance Exchange. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Asset option. Then click on Send option. Then click here again. Here you will need to search BNB. Then click on BNB. Then click here again. Paste the BNB address here. After that, need to click here and select PIP20 network. Then enter quantity you want to transfer. Then click on the withdraw button and confirm with OTP to successfully transfer. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.
Okay.